Okay, go ahead. Can you start, Mohana? Read the name
Skill,
of the skill. Yeah.
skill 33. Know when to use the past with the present.
What does that mean? Know when to use the past with the present. The past tense with the present tense. That's what it means. You have to know, because sometimes we can't do that. Sometimes you can't put the past tense with the present tense in one sentence. Okay? But other times you can. Other times you can. Sometimes you can. You can put the past tense with the present tense in one sentence. So what you have to see is, when can I do this? When is it not correct? Okay. So can you read this, please, Abdulaziz, section 54? Often.
Often when a sentence has both a past tense and a present tense, the sentence is incorrect.
Okay. Notice it doesn't say always. Guys, it doesn't say always. It just says often. Okay. Often it is incorrect. Not always. Okay. Suhaib Halawani.
Yes.
Can you read?
Okay. He took the money when he wants it.
Now, why is there a star? Any idea? Why is there a star?
It's wrong.
Because, yeah. So in the TOEFL book, you guys, in the TOEFL, if you see a star like this, it has a name, a special name. It's called an asterisk. But if you see this asterisk, this star, there's a mistake. Something is wrong. So what is the problem? Suhaib Halawani. Do you see the problem?
Yeah. Must be past.
So let's think about, guys, here you have to think about the meaning, right? What does that mean? He took the money. It's verb 2.
Yeah.
In the
He take the
past.
money in the past.
In the past. What about when he wants it?
And every time he want to, he do it. He took the money.
Yeah, so he wants it. It's
Before.
present simple, present simple, and this is routine, right? Yeah.
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 So is that logical that you have the past situation plus a present routine? Not logical. Okay. Ali Al Husseini, just so you know, if you join us, camera on, no genies in my lunch TOEFL. Ali Al Husseini, yeah. Now you can keep your microphone off, and then there will be no recording, because only the person who talks will be on the recording. So if you're too shy and you don't want to speak, that's fine. But I don't want people joining me, some strange people, I can't see them. I don't like that. Okay? But let's continue. How do I fix this, Suhaib Halawani? Do you know?
Yeah, I think we need to change the verb to the verb 1 want to verb 2 wanted.
So I want to change this one.
Yeah.
Okay. And read it correctly then. Change it and read it correctly.
Okay. He took the money when he wanted it.
Uh-huh. That's right. That means basically in the past, anytime he wanted the money, he took it in the past. This is logical, right? Mandoki, right? It's logical. It's correct. Now, is this the only way to fix this example? Or
No.
can we, is there another way to fix this example, gentlemen? Is there another way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
We can
What's the other
change
way?
We can change
Change
the
took to take.
Ah, so let's do that. Hussein, you want to change the first one? He,
takes the money when he wants it.
yeah. So Suhaib said this one. He took the money when he wanted it. And Hussein said it this way. He takes the money when he wants it. Now, is that logical? He takes the money when he wants it?
Yeah, it's
What
not
does that-
logical.
What does
Yeah.
it mean? What does it mean? He takes it when he wants it.
If he want the money, he will go and take it.
Yeah, anytime. Anytime he wants the money, he takes it, right? So you can have both sentences now are correct, right? The first correction, it's simple, past simple, and past simple. They match, it's logical. And in the second example, we have what tense? Simple,
Past.
present simple, and the
So, yeah,
present
that's-
simple, okay?
Yeah.
All right, they're both correct. Mustafa, can you read the yellow part here? It is impossible.
It is impossible to do things in the past as a result of something you want in the present.
Right? You can't do something in the past because
You
something that you want now, right? That's not logical. All right, let's go to the next page, gentlemen. Next page. Ayed, can you read this?
It is possible for logical sentence in English to have both the past and the present tense.
It is possible. It is possible, right? Mumkin. For a logical sentence. Logical. Mandogi, right? It's possible for a logical sentence in English to have both. You can have both. You can put the past and the present. It is possible. But you have to think about the meaning. Do you understand? So Hermes, can you read?
Yeah, I know that he took the money yesterday. All the actions in the past simple.
Can you explain that?
He
Is this
said
past? Is this past? I know.
no. Present simple.
Oh, so that means that now, right now, I know something. What do I know?
He took the money yesterday.
So what do we
Someone.
have, gentlemen? What tenses do we have here? This one? Everybody? Hello?
Present simple.
Is the present?
Simple.
present
That's
simple.
the present simple. And this one?
Past simple.
Past.
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 It is correct because it's logical. You understand?
Yeah.
All right. So go to the gray box. All right. Saleh, what does it say? Read.
You see a sentence with one verb in the past and one verb in the present. The sentence is probably incorrect.
Probably. You see the word here, probably.
Yeah.
Does that mean it is always?
No.
Mostly.
No, not always, but probably means most of the time it is incorrect. Not always. Number 2, Ali Husseini. Ali Al-Husseini.
However, it is possible for a correct sentence to have both past and present together.
Yeah, it is possible to put them together. Okay, Hussein, number 3.
If you see the past and present together, you must check the managing to determine whether or not the sentence is correct.
You must check the meaning, everybody. You must check it, right? You must check it, read it, and think. Is it logical? Mandaki? Or is it illogical? Mafi mandaki. Right? All right.
Yeah.
So there is no of this skills.
All right. Hands up in the air like you just don't care. Let's go. Okay. All right, Mohana, how do I do the exercise?
Underline the verb twice
Yeah.
and decided if the meaning are logical.
Yep. Decide if the meaning is logical. Underline the verb twice and then decide if it's logical. Okay. Then what?
And then indicate if the sentence are correct or incorrect.
All right. Let's look at number 1. Abdulaziz, what do you think? Why is it wrong? Can you explain?
Yes, because it should be I told him the trash when he asked me. The truth
So-
when he asked me.
Is this logical to say I tell him?
No, illogical.
Why? What's the first part? What is this? I tell him the truth. It's routine, right?
Yeah.
Routine or habit in the present, right? What about this?
The past symbol.
That's in the
Something
past. That's in the past. So this example is not logical. Okay. What do I do? How can I fix this one, gentlemen? What should I do?
I told
Any
him.
idea?
Yeah, you
Okay.
can change tilt tool.
There are actually 2 ways. The first way, yeah, I'm going to switch tell to told. That's one way. Is this the only way to fix it?
No.
No.
What's the other way?
Ask.
When he
Change, yeah, ask.
Huh? The
When
other
he
way?
asked.
Asked.
Instead of verb 2,
Verb 1.
yeah, but I should put an S, right? He asks.
Present simple.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because of present.
You understand? So you could fix this 2 ways. You can make this, I told him the truth when he asked. Okay, logical. Or every time he asks, then I tell the truth. Right?
Mr. Rich, how did you know that the first sentence I tell him the truth is the habit or the routine?
Well, when do we use the present simple? You tell me. What there's 2 or 3 reasons, right? Right. One is a fact.
Routine.
One is a fact.
Yeah, fact.
Another one is
And
a
routine.
habit.
And
Habit and routine are almost the same, right?
Yes.
Fact, habit, routine. Which is the best reason for this? Think about it. Which is the best reason?
Maybe routine. Yes, you are correct.
I think that's why it's routine. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Suhaib Halawani, why is number 2 correct? Don't read it. Just explain the reason why it's correct.
I think he angry before the another one no when he angry.
Yeah. I understand means now I understand. Right now.
Yeah.
That you were angry.
Yeah.
So I didn't know why yesterday. I didn't know why, but now I understand. You see? So I understand now. Can I, guys, can I say, can I use the continuous here? Can I use the
No.
continuous, guys? Can I say,
No.
I am understanding?
No, because
No.
Stative.
Why?
it's state.
State
State,
or
yeah.
stative, same meaning, stative verb or state verb, right? A non-action verb, right? It's a non-action verb. Don't use ing. Only for special cases, but this is not a special case. Okay? I understand that you were angry. Correct. Gentlemen, let's begin. You got 3 minutes. Start.
3 minutes. Two minutes. One minute, 45 seconds. One minute, 30 seconds. One minute, 15 seconds. One minute. $45 seconds. $15 seconds. Time is up.
All right, Mustafa, I want you to tell me number 3. Tell me, is it correct or is it incorrect? Number 3.
It is incorrect.
Why?
Because it is not logic.
Where's the verb? Let's look at that. Where's the first verb?
Was and goes.
Okay. Was. Yeah. What does it mean when he was a child?
In the past, when he was a child.
When he was a when he was a child, when he's a kid, right? And then he goes to the circus. What's this? This is a routine now, right? Okay. Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
This sentence is not logical. So if I want to fix it, gentlemen, how do I do that?
But instead of goes.
Can I change both? Can I change both of them?
No.
This one?
No.
Think about that. Can you say when he is a child?
No.
Oh no.
You know, you can't change this one, right? This one you can't change. But goes, you can and you should. Should be what?
When
He always went to the
Always went to the circus. By the way, if you're in 04, right now in 04, I think you're doing unit 9, right?
Actually,
In headway, 9 and 10.
yeah.
Right? That's on your next exam, 9 and 10. And in unit 9, you will learn the habit, present habit, and past habit, right? This is past habit, gentlemen. A past habit. That means you did something again and again and again in the past. Do you do it now? No. All right, number 4. Ayed, what do you think?
I think it's incorrect.
Give me the verb.
Reads and wrote.
Okay. What does that mean?
Um,
He reads.
Last summer he reads. It's complete and incorrect because
Yeah.
it's,
Why? What's the key word
should-
here?
it should be read. Last summer he
Yeah.
read.
Yeah.
And the
You
past.
see, the key word, gentlemen, is last. It's a key word, right? Okay. So if you see that, then what should it be? How do I fix it? Instead of
Change,
reads,
Read.
read. Is that right?
No.
Yeah.
No.
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 We should
No.
put A.
Oh,
This
okay.
is a count.
But you know, it sounds the same. You know that?
Yeah, but the
Yes.
spelling,
Yes.
no. Yeah.
This and
The
this,
sound.
they sound exactly the same, don't they? Yeah. If it's
Yes.
when it's the past tense, they sound the same. Okay. All right, Hermes, give me the next one. What do you think?
Okay. Steve wakes up early every morning because he wants to
Don't
work
read. Don't
early.
read. Don't read. I know you have a great voice. Just give me the. Is it correct or incorrect?
I think it's incorrect.
Really? Why? Where's the?
Because-
Where's the? Where do I put the lines?
In the verse action, wakes, it's a verb, and the present simple.
By the way, guys, this is a special kind called a phrasal verb. Do you know that?
Yes.
Yes.
Wake up.
Well, the phrasal verb has 2 parts, right?
Yep.
And then what?
And the second is went.
Exactly. Went.
The past simple.
Okay. So what's the problem? It's
The
not
problem-
logical?
Yes, it's not logical. Illegible.
Which should I fix?
The second, he goes to work.
I should fix the second one? What about the
Or
first one?
The first, he woke up.
So can
You
I fix
can,
both?
you can, but
Can I fix both of them?
I don't think because
Let's try it. How do I fix the first one if I fix the first one? How do I fix that? Huh? What do I do?
Change to past. Walked up.
Woke up. Not woked.
Yeah.
Right? It's irregular. Right? Irregular. What about the second one? What if, can I change the second one?
No. If you change the work, the woke up, you can't change went.
No, but
Yes,
I
because
mean, is there only
No.
one way to fix the sentence? Is there just
Okay,
one
yeah,
way?
I
Is there only
understand now.
one way to fix the sentence, or are there two ways to fix the sentence?
Two ways,
One
yeah.
way, Mr. H, because every morning.
So if I say, yeah, but is this a key word for the present?
Yeah, present simple.
Yes.
Wrong. It
Habit.
is not. It is not a key word for the present. I can say last summer, every morning, I woke up early last summer.
Okay, I got
Or last semester. Okay, last semester. Okay. Some of you guys are in the late shift now. Some of you, is anybody here doing English for the late shift, in the late shift? Anybody? Anybody on the late shift? Okay.
late shift. You mean
Late shift begins at
At
10
5.
a.m. At 10 a.m.
Yes,
Right?
yes, me, late shift.
If
10.
you're on the late shift, you start English at 10 a.m. If you're on the early shift, you start at 8 a.m. Okay?
Okay.
Look, what if you are last module? Did anybody start at 10 a.m. also? Last module?
Yes, me.
Okay. So what does that mean? Did you wake up early every morning?
No,
Every morning?
no.
No. Is there anybody here? Was anybody on the early shift last semester? Anybody on the early shift? Okay. You guys, did you wake up early every morning last semester?
Yes.
yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
So these guys can say, we'll just say Suhaib. Suhaib woke up early every morning last semester. Why? Because he started class early. Do you understand?
Yeah.
What about right now?
Yeah.
What about right now? Anybody doing the early shift now? So Hussein, what will you say? What are you gonna say, Hussein?
Okay. Every day I wakes up to do or to attend the lecture.
Yeah, every day you wake up early because you start class early. Do you understand? Yeah. Gentlemen, you can fix either one. You can fix the first one or you can fix the second one. Both are logical. Okay? Saleh, do number 6.
Goodbye, Mr. H.
Incorrect.
Bye. Yeah. Incorrect.
Yeah.
Why is it incorrect? What's the problem?
He is in Washington.
We have here studied, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
And
yes,
then
studied and
is.
is. Yeah.
It is not logical. So how do I fix it? What should I do?
Change is towards.
Mark studied at the American University when he was. What about the first one? Can I change the first one?
Yes, also you can.
Mark studies at the American University when he is in Washington. It's okay, but a little bit illogical. Why is that a little?
Yeah, it's better to be Mark studies at American University in Washington, not when he is.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah, that's a better choice. That's a better choice. Okay. I think I wouldn't change the first one. Okay. It sounds a bit strange. Like only when you're in Washington, that's the only time you study at the university. Really? That's a bit odd. Okay. Number 7. Suhaib Halawani, what do you think?
I think it's correct.
Correct?
Yeah.
All right, where's the verb?
Is telling.
Okay. What does that mean? Is telling means now.
Yeah.
Right? He's telling teacher, and then
Did not.
he did not have. Okay, did not have time
Yeah.
to finish his work. Yeah, it's logical. It is
Yeah,
correct.
it's logical.
It is correct. Maytham, you want to try the next one? Number 8. What do you think?
I think it's correct.
Correct. He puts the money in his account when he goes to the bank. You just lost marks on the TOEFL exam. This sentence is incorrect. Now, why? Let's think about it. Where is the problem here, gentlemen?
Because past simple, the first one.
This is verb 2. Oh, how do you know it's verb 2? How do we know this is verb 2?
Because if that is in present, we need
no
to put
S. Exactly.
Yeah.
You see, no S, no S. So this is verb 2. You see? What about this?
Present.
This is the present simple. So which one do I fix? Or can I fix both of them?
You can fix both.
Yeah, exactly. We could fix both. So if I fix the first one, what should it be? Instead of put, what should I do?
Put
S.
Exactly. So I'm going to put an S. Put, instead of put, should be puts. What about the second one? If I fix the second one, what should it be?
When he went.
Yeah, I'm going to put verb 2. Okay, gentlemen? Yeah, both are logical. If you put, he puts some money in his account when he goes to the bank, present simple, both routine. Or past routine, he put money in his account when he went to the bank, past routine. Both are logical. Okay, Al Husseini, you want to do the next one? Number 9.
Okay. We have
Don't read it. You just tell me, is it correct or is it incorrect?
I think it's incorrect.
You say it's incorrect?
Yes.
Does everyone agree?
Yes.
Yes, I agree.
Tom keeps studying hard because he intended to go to dental school?
I think it's correct.
Yes, me too. I think correct.
This sentence is incorrect. If you say it is correct, you lose marks in the TOEFL. So where's the problem here? He keeps, what does it mean he keeps studying?
Study.
Continues. He continues.
Yes.
Right? Now, what is the meaning of this intended? Do you know? He intended. Do you know the meaning of intended?
Like prepare.
Intended.
Plan.
Yes, it's the same as planned. Okay? He intended. Means he planned. Now, why is this sentence wrong? Can you explain that?
Because he is not.
When you put
he keeps study, I think.
Look at this. When you intend, you plan something. When you say intended, means you planned it. If you say I planned X, what does that mean?
I changed.
Okay.
It means
My
that my
plan.
plan changed. Do you understand? Yeah?
Yes.
So how do I fix this example then?
He intend or
Is there only one way to fix it?
No,
no,
two way.
you can change studying.
So I could say, instead of keeps, what do I put? Verb 2,
Kept.
kept. And what about the second one? What if I change the second one?
Intended to intend.
Exactly. Well, but you have to use, don't forget the S.
Intends.
Intends. Gentlemen, do you understand? Guys, look
Yes,
at that. Tom keeps studying means he continues to study. Why? He intends or he plans to go to dental school. Or put both of them in the past, right? He continued, right? He kept studying. He continued. Why? Because he intended to go. But if you use this, intended, just remember, when you put it in the past tense, it means my plan is different now. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Number 10. Mohana, do the last one. Is it correct?
Yes, it is.
You say it's correct?
Yes.
Why?
The first verb it's worked. The second was student.
She is where she is today. Why? Because in the past, right? In the past, she worked hard when she was a student. Yep. Look at that, guys. We have a lot of verbs here, don't we? She is where she is today. Why? Because in the past, when she was a student, she worked hard. Yes, this example is logical. All right, gentlemen, that's the end of the lesson today. All right.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Rich.
you, Mr. Rich.
Thank you, Mr.
You're welcome.
Thank
Goodbye,
you, Mr.
gentlemen.
Rich.
You're welcome.